My name is Mac Paul. I'm in welding.
My name is Ray Sanders. I'm one of the 2 welding instructors at Canadian Valley. I am a former student of Canadian Valley. I graduated from the welding program in 2008. Students will learn a lot in this program. We have it broke down into different groups between first and second year students. So their first year, they're mostly going to be doing stick welding, but they get into the MIG welding process of it, and it just depends on where each student is at individually. We don't spend a lot of time in the classroom because welding is more of a hands-on. So I would say 90% of the time you're in the shop welding. It does get hot, you will get dirty, and you will get burnt.
I feel confident. The amount of things you can learn in a couple hours a day, it's all direct. You don't sit in a classroom all day. You immediately walk out in the shop and you just weld. Read a book, answer a couple questions, learn how to do a career.
Job outlook, we have a very high placement rate. There are always welders needed everywhere. You look on the internet, you look in the newspaper, or just about anywhere, you're going to find someone wanting to hire a welder.
I was in Skills USA. I went to 2 competitions last year, one for just welding and one for fabrication.
We take our contest very seriously. We're usually first and second place in the district and always go to state each year. The kids have a lot of fun at state. They always win prizes, so no matter where you go, you're going to bring home something with you.
They're fantastic connections. I mean, everybody here is nice. Instructors are fun. There's never a dull moment with people.
So the greatest thing that I want my students to do is be able to walk out of this shop and know a good weld from a bad weld. I want them to be able to go on and better themselves, get a job. Like I said, there's so many welding jobs, there's so many opportunities. And whether or not they use this skill, they have it. Nobody's going to take it from them. They can always later on go down the road and say, hey, I can weld, I can do this, whether it's a part-time or a full-time job. The last thing is, whether you're taking welding or any other CVTECH program out here, is, take advantage of it. This is your career, your opportunity here. So come enjoy it and use it.